this video tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain about the editing command. The first command in the editing tool is the modify toolbar. I have imported this eye section by using the palette command. So to edit the dimensions of the eye section, it is becoming quite difficult as it contains many dimensions in it. So it is becoming very complicated, and to solve this issue, the modify toolbar is used. At first, I'm going to select all the entities in the sketch and click on the modify tool, and the modify dimension dialog box appears, which contains all the dimensions of the eye section in it. I'm going to change the value to 100, and you may notice that the dimensions gets generated in the graphics window. So likewise, you can able to change all the dimensions of the eye section in an easier manner by using the modify toolbar. You can also change the value by just dragging it, and you can increase the drag sensitivity. I'm going to increase it to the maximum level, and now if I change the value, you may see that the value gets larger. So and now I'm going to decrease the sensitivity to the minimum value, and now if I change the value, it gets a small change in value. So next I'm going to explain about the regenerate button. So right now it is checked in, which means if I edit the dimensions of any section in the eye section, the section will regenerate. So I'm going to edit the value to 600. You may see that the section gets regenerated and it is big. So if I uncheck this regenerate button, and I'm, I'm going to uncheck this regenerate button, and now I'm going to edit some value to same 600. Now you say that the section doesn't get regenerated at all. After editing all the dimensions and click on OK, then the section will get regenerated. The next is the log scale. Right now it is unchecked. If you check this, and if you try to change any value of it, then you may notice that all the values of the eye section gets increased drastically and alternatively.